Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Weverse to be good settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here we search about the application of Weverse and we click in this page. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then here we will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.